Hey, good afternoon, this is Gaëtan. How are you doing, everybody? Bonjour, c'est Gaëtan qui vous parle. Ça va bien tout le monde? Alors, merci d'être là. Thank you for being here and watching the show. Today, we're part of the pasta series, and today we'll have Stroganoff. Mushroom Stroganoff. A Stroganoff dish is made of whatever, with a brown sauce, usually cream-based sauce, and fettuccine. So we have fettuccine, we have mushroom, we have brown sauce, and we're going to have the best stroganoff you never saw, never tasted in your life. As long as you do the recipe yourself, you will not know what this recipe tastes like. So let's start by the basic ingredient. Olive oil, like that. Onions, like that. Garlic. Yes, garlic, it's nice, it's welcome. You heard me say that before. I cannot send you the flavor of this dish to you right now. But I have a fresh oregano from our own little patch of herbs that we took care of during the summer. So on a de l'origan frais. Pour ceux qui veulent savoir, c'est de l'origan grec. This is a Greek oregano. Goes like that. I don't want to have the heat too high. I don't want to burn anything. It's not burning. The process of cooking is not a process of burning. It's a process of infusing heat in the vegetables, in the food, to make the food acceptable for our system. As you saw, I have tons of mushroom in there, and I expect the mushroom to be watery for that recipe. I'll play with the mushroom a lot. The onion already start releasing their water. Meanwhile, while this is cooking, I'm going to take care of the fettuccine, and I hope you saw the video called pasta. So in the video pasta, I made some fettuccine. I put that in boiling water, like that. So I'm bringing that to a boil. Meanwhile, I have to take care of the mushroom and the onions and everything. See, already there's a color coming, it's watery. You have no idea how much I would like to have you for dinner. You can take that personally. Because of the coronavirus, it's very difficult to have guests, to have some people coming and eating with us. We did some in the summer. We were outside on the patio, so we keep social distance, careful distance between us. But in the winter, it's practically impossible to do that. So my wish is to have you as my guest at dinner, and then I serve you this fabulous stroganoff, mushroom stroganoff. I'm sure you're aware that no animal has been harmed in the making of this recipe. So you see there's plenty of water now in the pan. I can show you like that. Things are getting very, very nice. Mushroom are releasing the water, onion releasing the water. Everybody's happy. One of the flavor that I associate with mushroom, beside oregano, is black pepper, fresh ground black pepper. For some reason, the mix of the two It's a very good mix. Flavor of the mushroom, flavor of the oregano, and flavor of the pepper. Une des saveurs que j'aime bien associer avec les champignons et cette recette, c'est non seulement l'oregano, l'origan, mais le poivre noir, moulu, fraîchement moulu. La combinaison de ces saveurs-là, le champignon, le poivre, l'origan, c'est une combinaison extraordinaire. On ne peut pas manquer cette combinaison-là. Alors, les choses deviennent de plus en plus intéressantes ici. Je pense que les champignons et les oignons sont prêts à la phase suivante. Here's what's next here. We're going to have to add cream. You can use vegan creamer, and you can find that at your store. Alors, j'ai mis de la crème, mais vous pouvez prendre aussi de la crème à base de plantes d'origine végétale. Il y a des crèmes à partir de noix d'amande et il y a des crèmes aussi à partir de noix d'acajou. Oh, I think this is ready. Let's see how we're doing here. Ooh, c'est trop chaud. It's too warm. I don't want to burn anything in here. See the beautiful color. So I reduce the heat substantially. That means too much. Here we are, simmer. So here the pasta. Linguine. We'll mix that. Oh, smells so good. And then just a final touch to finish the dish. Believe it or not, aged balsamic vinegar. Alors la petite touche finale pour la saveur, c'est quelques gouttes de vinaigre balsamique âgé. This is aged balsamic vinegar from Italy, and this will give you a sweet note to this fabulous dish. I started the series of video because of the pandemic. I was scheduled to give a class on March 14 in Naperville, and on March 12 they called me and say, hey, cancel. It's a lockdown, everybody stay home. Our activity, no more, we're done. We have to wait 3 weeks. So 3 weeks pass, came and went. We're now in November, yes, and we're still at home. Alors, j'ai commencé ces vidéos en mars, le 14 mars, parce que je devais donner une classe à Naperville. Et la classe a été cancellée le 12. Et on nous a dit à l'époque, 3 semaines, en 3 semaines, les choses vont bien se passer, ça va bien aller et on pourra reprendre. Alors, on est au mois de novembre et les choses sont toujours pas en place. Alors, c'est pour ça que je regrette de ne pas pouvoir vous offrir ce repas dans ma maison, que vous soyez mes invités. Mais considérez que vous êtes mes invités aux vidéos. Consider yourself as my guest for the video. I would love to have you to share this meal with me and Geneviève, but unfortunately COVID is preventing us from doing anything socially, especially at this time of the year. We're in November and we cannot. It's so sad. Nevertheless, a nice shot of the Romanoff there. Thank you for your time. Merci pour votre temps. Merci pour votre intérêt. Merci pour visionner ces vidéos. Merci pour les partager avec vos amis. Merci pour vous abonner. Thanks for subscribing, sharing with your friends and family. And thank you for thumbs up. I really, really appreciate your comment. and I took note of every one of your comments, and I try to improve the recipe week after week after week, for video after video after video. So God bless you, que Dieu vous bénisse. Soyez en santé, stay healthy. We'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.